magnet wire. Sobrang hindi niya kayang, tawag dito, hindi niya kayang i-lift yung mga ornaments like yung acrylic wire X, something like that. So, I'm actually having a problem with the Christmas lights that I bought from China. I contacted the seller, but it seems that the seller is not very responsive, so I gave her my honest review. I have to do that so future buyers have an idea of what they're going to receive. So I'm just being honest. So this is a new wire I'm using, and binaklas ko ulit yung tawag dito, yung mga Christmas lights. And then I have one tip, guys, to share. If you're going to use fairy lights, wag nyo silang pag papatong-patungin, tsaka iikot-ikot yung wire kasi nga nasisira siya, hindi na ilaw. Kaya later on sa video to, you'll see how it looks like pag inaano nyo, pag inikot-ikot. Kasi parang magkakaproblema siya. Magiging sensitive yung wire. So yun na, guys, that's the new one that I use, the alambre, all the way up. So you can really play with its form, and it looks parang magical swirl Cinderella-esque talaga, guys. So yun siya. And actually, yung first na Christmas lights na binili ko, sobrang liit lang, like 20 meters. Hindi ko nga actually sure binili ko 30 meters.